out. In our next public accountability statement, we will say the initial steps. Some of them we have started taking already. In this regard, we will utilize the labor, expertise, and equipments of our security agencies, including the National Youth Service, to reconstruct our country and to provide for livelihood support and resilience for our communities in the northern part of our country as part of making sure the place remains safe and secure for local and foreign investments. That's where we are. During the period under review, we have also been able to initiate war on our number 3 priority national security threat, which is the trade, manufacture, use, and abuse of illicit and toxic alcoholic drinks, narcotics, psychotropic substances, and the engagement in other organized crimes. We have already done 2 regional forums. We will continue with other forums in Upper Eastern, at the coast, in Western, in Nyanza, every part of our country. The problem of toxic alcoholic drinks that are being manufactured and sold to our young people with detrimental consequences looks like a social problem. It's not a social problem. It's a very serious national security problem. And if we are not careful, when all the adults today are gone from this country, we will not have a country to hand over to the next generation. And therefore,